Welcome to Soil Nutrient Management. Today we are going to learn about a new topic, that is soil testing laboratory. Where you can test your soil? Yeah, in soil testing laboratory. Soil testing is the best and secure method to increase the productivity of your field. Soil testing laboratory funded by state government or functioning at identified center in each district. The major function of state soil testing laboratory are soil samples which are collected from the farmers by the assistant agricultural officer AAOs for texture, structure, pH, EC, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium status, and advising fertilizer recommendation also for different crops. And available micronutrient will be analyzed on request basis. Adopting 2 villages for a particular period by each soil testing laboratory, and irrigation water sample at free of cost and advocating the recommendations. Collection of benchmark water sample from the well marked in a particular block, watershed or taluk. After analyzing the water sample for different properties, water quality map will be prepared. So based on soil test value, we can rate it as low, medium and high. Conducting trials related to soil fertility to solve the site-specific problems. This is the mobile testing lab. The van itself contains all the instruments for analysis. Function of mobile soil testing laboratory. The staff of mobile soil testing laboratory will visit the villages collecting and analyzing the soil and irrigation water sample in the village itself and giving the recommendation immediately. In addition to that, auto-visual programs is also done for educating the importance of soil testing. Kadalur, Kanchipuram, Salem, Velur, Dharmaburi, Coimbatore, Pudukkottai, Erode, Trichy, Madurai, Adurai, Theni, Dindigul, Sivagangai and Paramakudi. These are all soil testing laboratories in Tamil Nadu. And this is the mobile soil testing laboratories in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.